Learning English is not just about words and grammar, it is about using your voice without fear. Many learners understand English but stay silent because of shyness and self-doubt. This lesson is about changing that. You will learn how confidence is built, how fear is reduced, and how your voice becomes stronger through simple daily actions. You do not need to be perfect to speak. You need to begin. This is the journey from shy to confident. Shyness in English is not weakness. It is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, fear of sounding wrong. Almost everyone feels this when learning a new language. You are not alone. When you try to speak English, your brain wants to protect you. It says, stay quiet. It says, don't risk embarrassment. This is natural. But confidence begins when you understand this fear instead of fighting it. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every fluent speaker once made thousands of mistakes. They did not stop. They continued. Think about this clearly. If you never speak, you never improve. Silence feels safe, but it keeps you stuck. Speaking feels uncomfortable, but it moves you forward. English is a skill, not a talent. You do not need confidence first. Confidence comes after practice. Your accent is not a problem. Your grammar is not a problem. Your fear is the only real barrier. Say this to yourself. I am allowed to make mistakes. My mistakes help me learn. When you change how you think, your voice changes too. Confidence starts in the mind before it reaches the mouth. You do not need perfect English. You need clear intention. Communication is about meaning, not perfection. Every time you speak, even imperfectly, your brain learns that it is safe. Fear becomes smaller. Your voice becomes stronger. Today, you make a decision. You stop waiting to feel confident. You start speaking to become confident. Say it clearly. I will speak even if I feel shy. I will grow by using my voice. This is the first step. Awareness. Understanding fear. Accepting mistakes. Choosing progress over silence. Confidence is built through action, not thinking. You cannot think yourself into confidence. You must practice your way into it. Every time you use English, your confidence grows a little more. Daily practice is more important than long practice. 10 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Consistency trains your brain to feel safe with English. Start small. Use simple sentences. Speak slowly. Clarity is more important than speed. Say simple truths. I am learning English. I practice every day. I am improving. When you speak out loud, your brain creates new connections. These connections make speaking easier over time. This is how confidence is built naturally. Do not wait for motivation. Motivation comes after action. Practice even when you feel shy. Practice even when you feel tired. Repetition is powerful. Repeat words. Repeat sentences. Repeat ideas. Repetition removes fear. Listening is important, but speaking is essential. You cannot become confident by listening only. Your voice must be used. If you make a mistake, continue speaking. Do not stop. Fluency grows when you keep going. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is communication. If the message is clear, you are successful. Say this to yourself, I speak to improve, not to impress. I learn by doing. Each day you practice, you train your confidence. Each sentence you speak strengthens your voice. Over time, speaking becomes normal, fear becomes quiet, confidence becomes your habit. This is how confidence is built. One day, one sentence, one voice at a time. Many learners translate in their mind before speaking. This slows you down and increases fear. Confidence grows when you begin to think directly in English. You do not need complex thoughts. Start with simple ones. Look around you and name what you see in English. Chair, table, phone, window. Describe actions in English. I am sitting, I am listening, I am learning. This trains your brain to use English naturally. When you think in English, your response becomes faster. You stop searching for words. Speaking feels lighter and more natural. Do not translate every sentence. Accept simple English. Simple English is powerful. Use English in daily moments. While walking, thinking, or doing simple tasks, speak in your mind in English. This builds fluency quietly. Your brain learns through exposure. The more English you hear and use, the more comfortable it becomes. Mistakes will still happen. That is normal. Do not correct yourself too much while speaking. Focus on flow, not accuracy. Confidence increases when you keep moving forward. Stopping breaks confidence. Continuing builds it. Say this to yourself. I think in English. I speak with ease. I improve every day. Your goal is not to sound perfect. Your goal is to sound natural and clear. The more you think in English, the less fear you feel. English becomes a tool, not a test. With daily thinking practice, your voice becomes faster, smoother, and stronger. This is how English becomes part of you. Not memorized, not forced, but natural. Fear of judgment is one of the biggest reasons people stay silent in English. You worry about how others will react. You imagine people laughing. You imagine being corrected. This fear feels real, but most of the time, it is only in your mind. Most people are not judging you. They are thinking about themselves. Even if someone notices your mistake, it does not define you. It simply shows that you are learning. Mistakes are part of the process. They are not signs of failure. They are signs of effort. Every mistake you make strengthens your ability to speak better next time. Think about children learning a language. They make mistakes every day. They do not feel ashamed. They continue speaking. This is why they improve so fast. Adults learn differently. Adults want to be correct. This creates pressure. Pressure creates fear. Fear blocks confidence. To grow, you must release this pressure. Accept this truth. You will make mistakes. You cannot avoid them. When you accept this, fear loses its power. When you make a mistake, continue speaking. Do not apologize. Do not stop. Communication matters more than correctness. People remember your message, not your grammar. If your idea is clear, you are successful. Confidence is not the absence of mistakes. Confidence is the ability to speak despite mistakes. Say this clearly. I allow myself to make mistakes. Mistakes help me improve. Judgment only has power when you believe it. When you believe in your growth, outside opinions become weaker. Replace negative thoughts. Instead of saying I sound bad, say I am improving. Instead of saying they will judge me, say I am practicing. Your inner voice shapes your outer voice. Speak kindly to yourself. Encourage yourself. Confidence grows from self-respect. Every time you speak English, you challenge fear. Every challenge makes fear smaller. Mistakes are teachers. Each mistake shows you what to learn next. Without mistakes, progress stops. If someone corrects you, listen calmly. Correction is help, not attack. Use it to grow. Fear disappears when exposure increases. The more you speak, the less powerful fear becomes. Say this to yourself. I am brave when I speak. I grow stronger with every attempt. You do not need approval to speak. You give yourself permission. When you stop fearing judgment, your voice becomes free. Speaking feels lighter. Confidence feels natural. This is the turning point. Accept mistakes. Release fear. Choose expression over silence. Confidence becomes real when you use English in real situations. Practice prepares you, but real usage strengthens you. Every real conversation is a lesson. You do not need perfect sentences to speak in real life. You need clear meaning. Simple English works everywhere. Start with everyday situations, ordering food, asking for help, giving simple answers. These moments build practical confidence. Before speaking, think about your message, not your grammar. Focus on what you want to say. Words will follow. Speak slowly. Speaking slowly gives your brain time to choose words. Slow speech sounds confident and clear. If you forget a word, explain it using other words. Communication does not stop because of one missing word. Confidence is shown through calm voice, steady tone, and clear intention. Even simple sentences can sound powerful when spoken calmly. Do not rush to fill silence. Silence is natural. Take a breath and continue. Use English daily in small ways. Talk to yourself. Describe your actions. Read signs out loud. These habits make English part of your life. Real confidence grows when you stop avoiding situations. Say yes to conversations. Say yes to practice. Mistakes may still happen, that is normal. What matters is that you continue speaking. Say this to yourself. I can communicate. I am understood. My English is enough. Each real interaction builds experience. Experience builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency. You do not need to impress. You need to express. Real communication is always better than perfect silence. When you use English in real life, fear fades naturally. Your voice becomes steady. Your mind becomes calm. This is how English becomes useful, natural, and confident. Through use, through courage, through action. Confidence in English is not a final destination. It is a habit you build over time. Every day you choose to speak, you strengthen that habit. You are not aiming for perfection, you are aiming for progress. Progress comes from consistent effort and self-belief. English is now part of your life, not something separate. You think in it, you use it, you grow with it. There will still be days when you feel shy. That is normal. Confidence does not mean fear disappears. It means fear no longer controls you. On those days, return to the basics. Speak simply, speak slowly, speak honestly. Your voice matters, your ideas matter. English is just the tool that carries them. Say this clearly. I trust my voice. I trust my growth. I speak with confidence. Every conversation is practice. Every mistake is feedback. Every effort is progress. You do not need permission to speak English. You already have it. The more you use English, the more natural it becomes. Over time, confidence stops feeling like effort. It becomes your normal state. You are no longer silent. You are no longer waiting. You are using your voice. Remember this. Confidence grows from action. Fluency grows from use. Growth comes from consistency. Continue practicing, continue speaking, continue believing in yourself. English is no longer something you fear. It is something you use. This is your journey. This is your voice. Speak it with confidence.